everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just my favorite body style, 1965 Chevrolet C10 short box. Killer little truck here, guys. Tennessee truck. It has had it's had a recent frame-off restoration, but actually the body and paint are actually older on this truck. But the suspension, brakes, stuff like that, that stuff is all brand new. Done within the last year. Again, Tennessee truck. You can see it's finished in just that super cool turquoise and white. I love the color combination. It's got 20-inch Billet Specialty wheels. This is without a doubt my favorite body style in the C10 trucks. I have one. I have a 66. This is a big back window too. These are rare. It's got the bigger back window there, which is nice when you're driving them. I will tell you that it's easier to see out of that back window. Ton more light in the cab. Just love these trucks, man. I think this is a great body style. Love the color combo. Again, turquoise and white. It's got the oak bed, 20-inch Billet Specialty wheels on it. Killer little V8, brand new vintage AC. Original 80, I think it's 87,000 on this truck. I know it's in the 80s. This has just always been a nice truck. I love this feature on these trucks. I love the hood. I love where they put the turn signals. Few little kind of blemishes you can kind of pick at in the paint. Nothing crazy, but you can see they put all new, it's new grill, new bumpers. Good looking truck, man. And this is a metallic. It's pretty color. It's got the correct mirrors on it. I think we got to adjust this door. We might have ordered a new striker or something for it. My guy's got a little wax on this back here. You can see they've got the darker wood in there, which is kind of cool. They also have relocated the fuel cell, which a lot of guys like. For safety reasons, it's not inside the cab. This stuff looks all new. Again, new bumpers. You can see the metallic in it. Really pretty. Right there. People always ask me, Dave, you ever seen a car you can't pick something on? Never have. Been doing this since I was 17 years old. Like I say, bought and sold over 7,000 of these. I don't know, I've probably looked at a million cars. Never seen one I couldn't pick something on. Love the way it sits. New rubber, 20-inch Billet Specialty wheels. About the only thing I would do, they make a super cool spinner cap for these wheels. Yes, they're expensive. I think they're $1,000 or $1,200, but I would put that on because I love that look. I've actually got them on my truck. There's a little, trying to find it. Yeah, you can see the blemish there. It's just rust. It's got drop spindles on the front. It's got a 5.7 drop kit on the truck with the C-notch rear frame. All the springs, all that stuff's brand new on the suspension. Brand new front disc brakes. This is the original. Again, they've hopped it up a little cam to it, but it's actually the original engine, original 283. It's got a 400 turbohydramatic trans behind it. Brand new Edelbrock 4-barrel, new Weiand aluminum intake. It does have the GM high performance exhaust manifolds, chrome air cleaner, finned aluminum valve covers. Again, power steering, all new power front disc brakes. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. AC's brand new. It blows ice cold. They have detailed the heck out of this truck, man. Looks great. And it's just as nice on the bottom. I love these trucks, man. It's my favorite body style. Matter of fact, I took it over and put some gas in it. Ed, when I pulled back in, he goes, man, these trucks look good going down the road. And I do. I love them, man. I think they are super cool. New door handles. Door seams are nice and clean. It's got the gold and white interior, gold and white trimmed interior. You can see new carpet, new sill plates. I did order new floor mats for it. Love this. Brand new leather stitched seat. I'm a coffee guy. I love to get in an old car and cruise out in the morning, so I love a cup holder. If I can get ready to order one for another car I have, gotta have a cup holder, man. I think that's why cars and coffees are so popular. Comfort sport steering wheel in it. All factory dash. Those gauges are all original. They all work. 87,363. That is the original miles. They say there's not very many miles at all on this restoration. Original Delco radio does not work. Original owner's manuals with the original Protecto plate on it. Looks like our little vent come unhooked there. We'll make sure that gets hooked back up. Again, 400 trans, got brand new dual exhaust. It is a 12-bolt rear end, not a big gear. I think it's 331. But again, as we talked about, it's got all custom rear suspension and lowering kit on it. Really drives down the road real nice. Fun truck. Matter of fact, we just booked it. I'm going to take my C10 to the Power Tour this year. So anybody heading out there, I think it starts in Bowling Green, heads down to Nashville. Anybody doing that, man, look us up. A couple of buddies and I are going to head down there. We're going to do the whole long haul tour. Should be a blast, man. I'm really excited to do it. I've never got the opportunity to do it. Oh, that's what he ordered. It was a new rubber piece right there. It's missing one of those. That's why it's not holding up super tight against it. This is brand new. I've had multiple trucks with this seat in it. Very comfortable. And again, original owner's manual, original Protecto plate for the truck. Mats are on the way. And that's just a little wax, guys. See, they just cammed it up just a little bit. Sorry, he's a little ahead of me. See, the air blows cold. Put your air back on, Nathan. There you go. Good. Yeah, nothing crazy. Little cam to it. Really runs and drives, like I say, just as sweet as can be. Fun truck. Nice and tight. I love the look of the front. I love that hood. I think these are just such unique trucks, man. Love them. All the gauges are working. Yes, the oil pressure gauge, which motor being fresh, it should have that kind of oil pressure. Fit and finish is nice. Makes it just a little cam to it. The sun's directly behind me, so hopefully you're seeing all that. Neat truck, man. Again, radio does not work. If you're a radio guy, I recommend the retro sounds. I can't say that I'm a big radio guy. Wipe it on. Check it. Saying the wipers aren't working, so we'll check them. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. New website coming soon. Watch out for that. That's going to be done within the next couple of months.